Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for our overall well-being: how to improve your diet. Eating well is more than just a choice. It's a lifestyle that fuels your body and mind. Join me as we explore practical tips to transform your eating habits and boost your health. First, focus on whole foods. Whole foods are minimally processed and packed with nutrients. Fill your shopping cart with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid foods high in added sugars, refined grains, and unhealthy fats. Remember, the closer a food is to its natural state, the better it is for you. Meal prepping can be a game changer. Planning and preparing your meals ahead of time ensures you have healthy options ready to go. Spend a couple of hours each week chopping vegetables, cooking proteins, and portioning out meals. This not only saves time, but also helps you avoid the temptation of grabbing unhealthy options when you're hungry. Aim for balanced meals. A balanced plate includes a variety of nutrients that your body needs. Make sure to include a good source of protein, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber-rich vegetables and fruits in each meal. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent sources of fiber and help keep you full longer. Don't forget to hydrate. Drinking enough water is crucial for your overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you're active. Keep healthy snacks on hand, like nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit, to curb hunger between meals and prevent overeating. Staying hydrated and snacking smartly helps maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Improving your diet is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and make gradual changes. Every small step you take towards healthier eating makes a difference. Listen to your body, enjoy your food, and make choices that nourish you. Speaking of a diet, eating nutritious foods can be a form of self-care and self-love. If you haven't yet seen my video of love and personal growth, then you can check out this video over here. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. Here's to a healthier, happier you.